Hi folks, welcome to Guarantee RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're looking at this awesome Northwood product. It's a Nash. It's a 25C. Great unit. Extra size propane tanks, power tongue jack here. It's got the diamond plate protection for your rock chips, which is really nice. Super well insulated, well built unit here in Oregon. Another nice thing over here, you got a nice little light at night. It's LED light, so you can see when you pull up to your campground or your site. Big pass-through storage. It's got a battery kill switch, which is awesome. It's nice to have that nicely insulated door, magnetic holds. Let's go on inside, but before we do, we've got a great big power awning with the light, and the light on this is at the end of the awning, so you can use it at night really well. Outdoor speakers, nice big Goodyear tires on here. Let's come in and take a look at this well-built unit. This is a awesome unit for that young family that's got a couple kids, because it has a great bunkhouse. Now you do have your bed right in here, and it's an open floor plan, but there is a curtain to give you some sort of privacy. Great big giant booth, ton of counter space in here. And one of the cool things about Northwood, they utilize every little space. So you got tons of storage, awesome big drawers, lots of places to put all your pots and pans and dishes. This is a huge cabinet up here, and it's all real wood. It's very nicely built. You've got a huge pantry in here for storage, top and bottom. A nice big oven and 3-burner cooktop. And then back in here, you've got a door to enter, so if the kids just want to come in, you've got 2 bunks, and then you've got a bathroom in here. Dan, if you can come in here, Daniel, and check this out. I don't know if we can get around. Great little bathroom with the shower, fantastic fan, which is awesome. You've got great storage underneath here as well. It's just a great overall unit. Awesomely built. They're built here in Oregon. Nash is a premier brand. We sell a lot of them, and they're great units. You're going to be happy with your Nash. If you want to get this Nash or any other unit here at Guarantee RV, please give me a call, Big Sal, 951-443-8323. Thanks.